What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my edits that I have made on CapCut. So, I made a Jujutsu Kaisen edit. I'm gonna play it right now, and then I'm gonna show you a soccer edit that I made. Most of you may have saw the Ronaldo soccer edit I made on YouTube. Or not, okay, but I'm gonna show you guys my Sukuna edit real quick. I mean, not Sukuna, yuji edit. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys it.
Ela tá cheia de tesão, eu vou te fuder com amor. Mina linda, safadinha, arregaça esse bobo. Vai, quer caô. Ela cheia de tesão, eu arregaço esse bobo. Vai, quer caô.
Okay, guys, like and subscribe if you think that was a W edit, and say in the comments, spam in the comments W edit. And by the way, every comment gets hearted. Okay, but I'm gonna show you the video again, just in case you didn't really see it that well.
Ela tá cheia de tesão, eu vou te fuder com amor. Mina linda, safadinha, arregaça esse bobo. Vai, quer caô. Ela cheia de tesão, eu arregaço esse bobo. Vai, quer caô.
Guys, like and subscribe if you think that was a W edit. I'll say it again. Now I am going to show you my my dog edit and my other edit that I made. Okay, I'm gonna show you my dog edit first. Okay, let me show you this.
Nossa, é só de fim de semana. Vai me parar, 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 vai me parar.
Enquanto pare, enquanto pare.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna play it one more time just in case you didn't see it as well. I'll play it one more time.
Nossa, é só de fim de semana. Vai me parar, 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 vai me parar.
Enquanto pare, enquanto pare.
Okay, so like and subscribe if you think that edit was the best edit ever. Because that was when I first started CapCut. None of these are templates, by the way. I'm going to post this one. As you see on the right of the screen, if you see who is the GOAT, the picture of that, watch. I'm going to go in full screen. This is a Ronaldo edit I made. I'm going to play it 2 times so you all get to see it 2 times in a row. Guys, this is the wrong edit, my bad. Okay, so where is the correct edit? No, bro, that's not the one. Okay, guys, I'm looking for my edit real quick, bro. Where is it? Bro, where is it? I'm gonna keep trying to find it. No, this is not the one, bro. Is it this one? Okay, well, guys, this is the, like, I can only find this one, but I made a way better one. But, you guys can see this one right now. It's not that good, but comment, after I play this, comment, which video was the best. Okay? And like and subscribe if you can. Yeah, I made a way better edit, but that's the edit I made. Okay, so that is all for this video. Okay, so I'm gonna make more edits in the future, but like and subscribe if you want me to make more edits. And comment which edit was best. Okay, bye guys. See you later.